Welcome back, graduates. Today I'm going to show you how to add a loan calculator snippet to your Dawn theme. Now, a loan calculator snippet basically is exactly what it says. Loan calculators are tools that can assist borrowers in determining the amount of their monthly payments for a variety of loans. Now, I know this is a specific need to some niche, but it's not always it's not for everybody. But what it basically does is it helps calculate your loan amount. So if you're in the real estate niche, or if you're in anything that needs to be calculated with payments, this is the snippet for you. So what it would really be is if your loan amount, for example, was $300,000, and your down payment was $60,000. It's gonna kind of calculate this for you, and your APR would be like realistically 4.6, and then you can do how many years. You know, I'm gonna do it for 36 months. It's gonna calculate for you your estimated monthly payment. Now, this is, like I said, only specific to certain niches. You don't need this for beauty, I believe. You don't need this for apparel, but this was requested, so we are happy to do it for you. So let's get right into it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna download the zip file, and you're gonna open up the HTML, and this is what it's gonna look like with the new video here. So it's pretty simple. We did the heavy lifting for you, so all you would really need to do is just add the section. This is going to be a section, so this means that you can use it on the home page, on the product page, which is most likely going to be where it's going to be at, or any other page that you'd like for it to be on, and for them and for your users to use. So again, this is a section and it's not a snippet itself. So I'm in the EG theme snippets, and I'm in my dashboard, and I'm going to add it to this clean Dawn version right over here. So I'm going to go and I'm going to edit my code in the theme editor, and I'm going to go into my sections because it's a section, and I'm going to go back into here, and I'm going to just copy and paste EG payment calculator right into my section. And then what I'm going to do is open the RTF file that we provide you. So we provide you the calculator snippet, HTML, the RTF of the actual snippet itself, and then the end user agreement that we have as well. So I'm just going to open this up, and right over here you can just copy and paste this. We do have a notepad. If you don't, you can open it up in TextMate. There's other apps, there's other plugins and things you can use to open this up, but it should look like this and formatted. So I'm going to go into here, and I'm just going to paste this right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into I'm going to preview my store, and I'm going to show that it is not anywhere. It isn't anywhere here at all. So I'm going to go and click customize. And once I click customize, I'm going to go and add a section if Shopify has updated, and it has. So it's EG payment calculator. So it's going to look like this right now. And what you have to do is kind of configure the settings in the theme editor. So we give you background and text color, alignment options, and then the title and title size. So we use a library Bootstrap. So H1 is the biggest size, and H6 is the smallest, heading 6. And then you can write, text here. We gave you placeholder text, and then right over here, the initial amount, and then also low subtext note, so you can change this out, and here as well all the way, and it's reflected right here too. Scrolling down, and then also we give you spacing top and bottom, padding and margin. Padding is the element within the spacing, and then the margin is the spacing outside of the element as well, so you can just play around with those, and then click save. But that's realistically it. That's it. So if you want to know how to add this to a product page, you can just go into products and go to your default product, and then scrolling down, just again add the section, and it will be right here. Now let's say you wanted between the product recommendations, just click the 6 dots and drag it. And then again, use your nice spacing to add a little more to that, and then click save. So now when you preview it and you have, you know, if you are in real estate, things like that, they can go in and play around with the numbers. And it does work really well, and it gives a really nice estimate. You can change the text here. I hope you like it. If not, please comment why you don't like it, how we can improve on this. But definitely like, comment, and share. It does help with the YouTube algorithm. And if you don't like the snippet, please give feedback, and we can provide you with snippets that you will use. Thank you so much for watching.